As the evening high tide loomed closer, workers frantically delivered sandbags to protect another house under siege from an angry sea.
I don't know what's happening with the tide, but if the tide is coming up again, then there's going to be a future danger.
The ocean continues to pound here in the community of Seagate. Standing on my right side, New York City Police Commissioner Kelly. Commissioner Kelly, what is planned for the rest of tonight?
The rest of the night, the National Guardsmen who are here are going to continue to put sea bags next to the foundation of these houses. They're doing an excellent job. There are 13,000 additional sandbags that will be delivered here, and that's what will happen. The low tide is predicted to be at 4 a.m. So I'm going to continue with this effort, certainly until that time.
All right, thank you very much, Commissioner Kelly. The sea continues to pound along here. For all the people along here, they are lucky. We're going to go now back to the studio to check in with my dad for the latest on the storm of the century. Dad.
Thank you very much, George. Get warm and dry off. I'm calling, this storm has no name, but I am calling him Rocky. A 1-2 punch to the metropolitan area. The counterclockwise circulation, you can see the bands of moisture coming in. The worst of it is over, folks. We may get a little more snow and considerable wind and, yes, additional coastal flooding. But believe me, the storm of the century is finally waning down. Here is the very latest radar from the Channel 9 Weather Lab, just minutes old. And you can see just light snow now in western New Jersey, down along the southeast shore, heavier snow, and I mean big-time snow to the north and east. How much? 29 inches at Worcester, Massachusetts, 2 feet at Litchfield, Connecticut. An incredible storm. Oddly enough, although the city had almost 4 inches of water content, the snowfall was just a half an inch in New York City, yet it was 20 inches at High Point. It was 8 inches in Upper Saddle River and 4 at West Caldwell, and an inch on Long Island. We'll have a lot more a little later. Back to you, Gabe.
And we'll be checking in with you later. The roads and rails are still a problem tonight because of the storm. The New Jersey Turnpike has a speed restriction of 45 miles per hour between the George Washington Bridge and Interchange 12. In New York City, the entire length of the FDR Drive is closed.